Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile 757, working on a 2011 Chrysler 300 with the Hemi. Our customer had a leak and we were trying to find the leak. All you have to do is go to Harbor Freight, buy this right here. I can put it on the Amazon in the details of the video. And all I did is pumped it up, and I'm going to show you where the leak is actually at. I pumped it up and it's all the way down here on the very bottom of the radiator. Without this, I'll be sitting here guessing for the rest of my life. This is just a mobile mechanic tip. Again, I'm going to put this in the description. You go and get this right here, and all it is just different fittings, depends on which coolant reservoir you have. All you do is put it together, put it on, you put the hose on, you tighten it up right here, you put this on, and then you try to pump it. Your radiator cap is going to actually tell you how much the PSI is going to be. This one doesn't say, but it's probably around 18, 19 PSI. And all you do is pump it, and then wherever it comes out at, that's where it's going to be leaking at. It's not going to hold a vacuum because there's a leak. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.